everyone, my name is Nidhi Ganesh and this is my first ever YouTube video for my YouTube channel. I am scared, I'm excited, a lot of mixed feelings that is going on right now, but anyways, let's just do this. So when I thought about making a YouTube channel, I thought which topic should I address first. Then I thought why not something that I believe has worked really wonders for me, and I also hope that it will also work wonders for you, and you all try it and then let me know that how it has worked with you, your hair. So already you have known it, you have read it in the title below that it's all about my hair, little bit of tips and tricks that I know I follow, and also a small hair care regime that I follow. Everybody have some kind of regime that they follow. So this is my personal experience that I'm going to share with you. When you talk about hair care or hair regime, one thing that everybody does it and it's very important is oiling. I think हफ्ते में at least आपको 2 बार oil करना होता है, like properly massage your hair and just take care of it. At least 2 days in a week you must do it. So which hair oil I use and how I oil it, and what are the little bit of tips and tricks that I know, I'm gonna share it with you in this video. So without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video and just do it. So let's quickly make that oil. I have all the ingredients right here. First of all, we'll be using coconut oil, castor oil, and this is a very famous ingredient for hair, that is methi. It's the methi ka powder. So now we'll be making the oil. First you need a jar, like you can use any jar which is available to you. I'm using this right here. So you can use whichever jar you have. I have this jar, so I'll be using this oil. I'm going to take some coconut oil. I hope you can see. You can make the amount which is required for you. You can store it easily and you can use it. You need castor oil. Now castor is already a thick oil, so you don't need to put it like coconut oil से थोड़ा सा कम castor oil आपको डालना है. So yeah, I'm done with castor oil. And the last ingredient that you have to put is methi, that is powdered methi. You can take methi easily and you can just powder it. So now I'll be taking 2 tablespoons of methi. This is the powdered methi that I have. So just taking 2 tablespoons of it and oiling and putting it in my oil. Here it goes. Methi. Methi is extremely good for your hair. So make sure you add methi to your oil. And it's quite easy. You can store this oil. It's quite easy to make. After just a quick mix, now my hair oil is ready. This will work for like 1 week for me. So yeah, here is my hair oil which I use and which has honestly worked wonders for my hair, for its growth and everything. Now when talking about oil, oiling, the one thing that I believe is very important is not just taking this oil and just applying it. No, that is wrong. तो जब भी आप ऑयल करें अपने बालों को, उसके पहले you take this oil in any of the container in which you're gonna apply. उसके बाद you have to heat that oil. I mean double heating process से just you have to take the oil and you have to take a container with little bit of water, place the bowl and just heat it. थोड़ा सा गर्म होने के बाद you have to just take it out and then you can properly आराम से apply कर सकते हो. There's no issue. And this is one point that is extremely important. And second thing that is very 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 important is how you oil your hair. Many people just apply their hair in the scalp and they believe that it's done, but I believe that it's not done. Like you should part your hair and then you have to start oiling and then take it to the ends are very necessary. So apply it in the scalp and then just take it down to your ends and you have to apply it there too. So that's the way of oiling. And the third thing which is very important when you oil your hair is there's a way of oiling, I believe, which has to be followed. When you oil it, you comb it and you can braid it easily. But before that, make sure कि आप बालों को ऐसा उल्टा करें, and उसके बाद you give it a quick massage for like 2 to 3 seconds. And how I do it will be displayed here somewhere. So that's the way I do. It is believed that it gives proper circulation to your hair and scalp and everything. So you can just massage it for like 2 to 3 seconds, and then you can braid it up, and you are ready to sleep. And I oil at the night 2 days, and then in the morning I get up, I wash it with whichever shampoo, whichever conditioner you want. You can use it, you can easily wash it off, and kuch hafton baad you will surely see the result. Like after using it for like 2 to 3 weeks, आपको तुरंत रिजल्ट दिखने शुरू होगा. You will see the length of your hair growing, the volume increasing, and all of that. So I think that's all for today's video. I hope that this was informative and you liked it. If you did like it, and if you want to further watch more videos, you can comment down whatever you want to watch. I will try to make videos as much as I can. So till then, take care, and it's all your love that matters. So please do subscribe my channel. I'm looking forward to more videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.